Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce and today is a different video because I'm going to show you how you can create a Christmas tree brush on Procreate. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is to go to our Procreate app right here, and we are going to create a new canvas by tapping on the plus sign right here. And for this brush, what we're gonna do is to create a square canvas right here. And this white background is that, only a background. If we hide it, then we don't have anything, okay? So we're gonna use our first layer without any color, and what we're gonna use is our white. Okay, so here we have our color white, and we are going to create our Christmas tree. Now, one feature that I like to use from Procreate is this, where I can duplicate this layer and then I select this second layer and I just flip it horizontally, and then I just do this right here, and here I have my Christmas tree created. Okay, you can do this in a different way, but this is the way that I usually do it. And what I'm gonna do is just to finish it up with as you can see, here is an open dot, and you don't want that, so I'm gonna just continue filling it right here, and then we're gonna merge these two layers and we have our Christmas tree created. And I'm gonna just fill it right here. And now that we have our Christmas tree, I am going to go to the layers and I'm gonna tap on the layer that I used, and I'm gonna tap on copy. Now I'm gonna go to my brushes, and here I have the brushes that I have created. So I'm gonna tap on the plus button right here, and I'm gonna go to shape right here. I am going to tap on edit, and I'm gonna tap on import and tap on paste. Now here I have my Christmas tree created, and I tap on done right here, and here is my shape. And as you can see that this is my new brush. But how do we make it so it's only a Christmas tree? What I'm gonna do is to go to stroke path, and I'm gonna space it until I see what I want. Now, as you can see, this is pressure sensitive, and you can see that I have some Christmas trees like solid color and other ones are not. So to change these, I am going to go to Apple Pencil right here and turn opacity off. And now you can see that all of my Christmas trees are the same. Now let's fix the size. Let's go to properties right here, and you want to use the stamp preview so you can see what it is, and then the size that I'm gonna pick is going to be a little bit bigger like that, and the minimum size I am going to add 10% right there. The other thing that you want to do to personalize this brush is to go to about this brush, and then you just type what it is. You add your name right here, and you can sign it. Then you tap on done. Now let's go to create a new canvas. Let's use this one, and let's add a green color. And we're gonna use our Christmas tree brush, and here is to make it bigger or smaller. as you can see. So I'm gonna use a small size. This is in green. Let's use a different green. I'm gonna create a bigger size. Here it is. I'm gonna create a black Christmas tree and bigger. The biggest, I'm gonna use the biggest. And here it is. Now, what happens if I try to do this? If I use this, it won't do that. So you have to tap it so it brings up that Christmas tree, okay? Because it's like a stamp. This is a stamp brush in Procreate. This process is very easy, and if you are drawing or use this stamp in Post-it or in a different canvas for another art, then you can use this brush. So I'm gonna be adding the brush on the link on the description down below. If you want it, you can download it there. I hope you like it, and let me know if you make another brush and what did you do. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.